far as I'm concerned, steak is probably the best food on the planet. And I don't know if anyone knew, but I fucking love cooking. It's a secret hobby of mine. So today, I'm going to be showing you how I make a steak. Except it's not a ribeye, it's a fucking shitty-ass New York strip. What you're going to need, hopefully you have a fucking house with electricity and a stove. You're going to need enough money to go to the grocery store and pick up the steak, obviously. Your various seasonings, whatever you want. I usually just use garlic and salt, butter, and olive oil. And then, of course, the fucking pan that you're going to cook it in. You can't forget the pan. So, obviously, to start out, you need to season the steak. So, just go ahead and slam that bitch down. Put some salt, some onion powder, some garlic. Yeah, I use garlic salt instead of garlic powder, but you know what? Fuck you, that's all I had. Then you're just going to flip it over, repeat, and then let it rest for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. You want to let the seasoning really get into the steak. That way, it's just pungent with flavor. While you're waiting for the steak to do its thing with the seasonings, you can do whatever the fuck you want. I don't know, play Minecraft or something. Just if you set a timer, come back about 5 minutes before the timer ends. That way you can go ahead and heat up the pan. That way, you know, it doesn't take forever to fucking heat up. Alright, you're back in the kitchen. First order of business is to take that olive oil you bought and just fucking dart that shit all over the pan. Make sure it's a good covering of the bottom. That way, you know, you get that good crust on the steak. Once you know it's ready, it'll take about 5 to 10 minutes to heat up. You take that steak, just plop it in there, make sure it's sizzling when you put it in. And you're going to let that side cook for about anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes, say. I did mine 3.5. Now, while you're waiting on that side of the steak to cook, make sure you get out your 2 garlic cloves and your butter. We're going to put this in with the steak, and it's going to make it taste so much better and so much more juicy. You're going to crush and peel your 2 cloves of garlic. That way the juices start to kind of leak out. And you're going to cut a little square of butter. And once you flip that side of the steak over, make sure it's, you know, crusted to your liking on that side. And then you're going to throw in your butter and your garlic cloves, and you're going to make sure they're close together and close to the steak. That way the juices start to kind of meld with the steak. And then you're going to take a spoon, which I forgot to tell you to fucking buy, because, you know, I'm an idiot. But you're going to take your spoon and you're going to scoop up those juices and just toss it onto the steak. I didn't do it nearly enough in this one, but, you know, I made another one later and did it way more. But this is going to go into the steak, and it's going to make it just pop with garlic flavor. Oh my god, it's so good. After that side's finished cooking, you're going to get the smaller sides for anywhere from a minute until nice and crispy the way you like it. And then boom, your steak is done. Just set it on the cutting board, let it rest for about 5-ish minutes, and eat the fuck up. You got you a nice, juicy, medium rare New York strip steak. Really wish it was a ribeye, but there ain't shit I can do about it. Anyways, thank you for watching this dumbass cooking video I just made. I really had a lot of fun making it, and even if I don't have the proper equipment right now to make good cooking videos, you know, it's just an experiment, just trying out. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if you want more of these cooking videos, or if you don't. I don't know what the fuck you want. You tell me. But yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.